Hi guys, again, good afternoon. This is Jason and I'm in Lahore, specifically in Wagah border. So here you can see this big flag. So where I am standing right now here is the Wagah border, which is the border of Pakistan and India. Okay, so inside we will see a ceremony, a flag raising ceremony that they will be doing and some military exercises. So we'll see you inside, guys. So guys, welcome. I am here now inside the place wherein this is the ceremony of Pakistan, and you can see at the back of me that is India, guys. So that gate is the border of Pakistan and India. So it will start by 5 o'clock, and the weird thing, I'm in Pakistan right now, but my time is in India time. So it's like they have difference of 30 minutes. Mostly it's almost 5 o'clock, but now my time is around 4:30. So that's a difference, 30 minutes. So it's showing that it's getting the India time instead of Pakistan. So it's very fun. A lot of people here. All of the people here you see here on my side are Pakistanis. And this is Pakistan side. These are the guards that you can see. They are very tall, and I've got a photo of them. And then on that side there, see, India's first line of defense. So that is the border of India. So there are so many, there are more people in India compared to Pakistan here, and they're having dance. If you can see, I'll just zoom this in, and you can see that they are dancing. They are having fun there in India, and maybe Pakistan has not yet arrived. Those people, so we're still waiting for other people to arrive here. So it's a good celebration. And despite differences of Pakistan and India, they have this border to like give them unity between these two countries. So later on, we will see the like the actual ceremony that they will be doing, and you guys will witness it. And by the way, before you can go inside here of this place, you will go through like six security. Okay, and guys, take note: entrance is free, so you don't need to pay anything for the entrance fee. But some are arranging like the protocol. If you are here, they will be asking you if you have protocol. Because if you have a protocol, you can go directly and skip the security. You can go directly until here because the parking is there. That's so far. You will walk around 1 kilometer maybe. That's too far. Okay. So later on, we'll show you more of the ceremony, guys. See you. So guys, we are on our seat now. So you can see that part is India. So there are more people there in India compared here in Pakistan. Maybe people did not arrive yet. That's sorry for my camera just covering the sun. It's very hot here. It's on the side. So see, that's the only gate that you know separates India and Pakistan, guys. So you cannot even cross a single inch from that gate, or else you will be detained by other country. Okay, very nice. So here you can see these are the India, I think the Pakistan side. Not that much cool. It's nice. I think when we will start it, it's more fun. We witness the show later on. And our border security, India's first line of defense. If you can see it up, it's already full. And that's the side, the other side I cannot see here. But it's also full. They have four people there right now. Yeah. So let's watch this later on. So guys, partially that started the program. This is intermission number. You know, he is a PWD. He only have one foot. Okay, and he's entertaining the guests right now, dancing with the Pakistan flag, guys. I'm not sure, maybe in India they've also started something there, but this is in Pakistan side. So guys, the show is starting. So now this guy's having these flags.
तेरा परेड के बाद गेट घुमा देंगे आफ्टर परेड यू गेट
Ah. Wow! See? These are the CIDs, the SWAT team. You think? SWAT teams like the Rangers. Two of these guys. So those guns are very like what do you call it? High, very powerful guns. So they're going to the gate, but of course they will not shoot. They'll just make peace with India. Okay, so there are guards there, so they will be staying there to protect the gate. And here are the armies. Are they armies?
Royal Guard, Royal Guard,
Huh?
Royal Guard.
Royal Guard. Royal Guard. Same as. What did you say?
Allah.
What do?
Allahu Akbar.
I don't know.
Allahu Akbar.
The same. The same. Nothing.
Zindabad. 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 Pakistan.
So they are chanting here in Pakistan as well as in India. They're also chanting at the same time. So this ceremony for company assistants or basically the one who are shouting this one. Wow! See guys, already started. These are the Royal Guards, the Lady Royal Guards of Pakistan. Wow! They're synchronized. See the feet. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, very nice. See this guy saying you shout once it's finished the shouting. Okay. Here are the Royal Guards. Oh my god. It's nice. Up, synchronize, okay. Up. Oh. Okay. They're also doing their India. The same. Woo! Say. Oh! The gate is open. Oh, the gate is open, guys. Can they cross?
Yeah.
Are they allowed to cross or no? No. No, there's a line. Oh, they shake hands. So they cannot cross that line.
Yeah.
Not allowed. Not even an inch.
Whoa!
Oh, there you can see in India. They have opened the border. Oh! They have also Lady Guard. See? Oh, now it's lowering there the flag. Oh, nice. Almost lower na. People of Pakistan, this one are the people of India. So guys, you have just witnessed the ceremony of here in Wagah border. Like this, I am standing here right now in Pakistan, and at the back there's a gate. If you cross that gate, that will be India. So that's an India border. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this ceremony. If you want to come, again, it's free, and there will be like six securities that you will pass through before you can come inside. And it was fun. I mean, it is fun already that you're watching in the video, but it's more fun if you are here in the venue itself, when it's really cool to watch them doing that ceremony. Again, I hope you enjoy, and please consider hitting on like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Again, this is Travel with Jason saying, travel while you can, because life has no rewind, guys.